Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in a beautiful valley, there lived a young girl named Sarah. Sarah had a passion for painting and spent most of her free time creating beautiful artwork. She dreamed of someday becoming a famous artist and sharing her work with the world. One day, a renowned art critic came to the village to judge an art competition. Sarah was hesitant to enter her artwork, but her friends encouraged her to give it a try. She submitted her painting, a vibrant and colorful depiction of the valley where she lived. To her surprise, Sarah's painting was selected as the winner of the competition. The art critic praised her work, calling it a masterpiece. Sarah was overjoyed, and her dream of becoming a famous artist suddenly seemed within reach. In the following weeks, Sarah's painting gained attention from all over the region. People came from far and wide to see her artwork, and many offered to buy it. Sarah was thrilled by the response and began to see her future as an artist more clearly. Years later, Sarah became a well-known artist, known for her beautiful paintings that captured the essence of the natural world. She never forgot her humble beginnings in the small village and continued to draw inspiration from the valley where she grew up. The end. I hope you enjoyed the story, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to see more. Thank you.